Photoshop, an expensive but good software. What if you don't have the money for this software though? That's the problem. A lot of people just don't have the money for this. It's $21 a month and it's too expensive for some people. So today I'm going to explain some free alternatives to Photoshop. Now I'm going to warn you, these are not as good as Photoshop. They're a little less advanced because they're free. So let's go right into it. First up, GIMP. GIMP is an image manipulation software. GNU, image manipulation program, is what it stands for. This is the logo. You may have seen this before. If not a big deal. I personally don't like this software too much. It bugs up a little bit, but considering it is a free software for everyone, I'm not surprised. Now, we're going to go to the next one. I'm going to show you how it actually performs. Alright, so here we are in the GIMP program. So, as you can see, it is not the same as Photoshop. That's for sure. So, anyway, it has similar tools, but it's also not good. So, let's go to desktop and just get the JPEG. It will rotate it, I guess. Yeah, it's a whole process. See, when you load it into this thing, I hate this camera. It doesn't focus. It's a different camera than I used to make the clips in front of the green screen. Okay, so here is a picture of the seltzer I reviewed yesterday actually. So, I don't know, what are we gonna do? I don't even know what I'm doing here. Is this like a lasso tool? Well, oh no, that's the lasso tool. Okay, so there's your marquee. Here we'll see. It doesn't even. Okay, so there we have. Okay, I don't know what I just did. So yeah, it's. And instead of holding Alt to zoom in, it's like, yeah, I don't like this program at all. So if you're looking for something free, a free alternative to Photoshop, stay tuned for Photopea. It's much better. And I apologize for the poor quality of this video and the clips. Next up, Photopea. This is one of my favorites for free alternatives to Adobe Creative Cloud apps. This has the same UI as Adobe Photoshop. It's identical. It's just a little bit different icon appearances, but its functionality is the same. So, here is some usage of it. Alright, now here is Photopea, web-based entirely. So, and hover text. Alright, anyway, I left hover text on accident. There we go, okay. Anyway, so, new project, we'll just open from my computer. French Lemonade, okay, we're gonna open that one up. Alright, see, so the user interface is much similar to Photoshop than GIMP. So here's object selection. See, Creative Cloud 2019 doesn't have this, but 2020 and 2021 have it, but it doesn't work right on my computer. So Now this is not, this object selection tool isn't the greatest, but here, but it's very similar to Photoshop. And look, you got commit, like buttons for that and everything. So it's very good. And then here you save. Here you gotta Command S, and then it'll download it. And then you got this, the French Lemonade PSD. So this one isn't actually no, this is my favorite because GIMP is awful. I mean, it's why is this stupid camera focusing? God, I gotta get a webcam. So yeah, it's similar. My last recommendation for free Photoshop alternative software is Apple Photos. It is a non-destructive software which I discovered. You know me, Sam. I use Apple a lot for everything. That's what I base everything off of, and it's amazing. It's not really Photoshop focused kind of thing. It's more of a just a Lightroom kind of thing where you edit like the lighting and similar adjustments. So that is all my recommendations. And here I'm going to show you some usage of Apple Photos. Alright, now here is Apple Photos. This is more of a lighting sort of thing, but the point is it's free for anybody who has Apple and an Apple ID with like, oh great, my mouse batteries are low, I gotta change those. Alright. And look, you got curves, you can do that. It's just like Photoshop. And it's actually non-destructive, so I do done. I can go to edit, reset adjustments, and it's back to normal. So I like this a lot. So in conclusion, which alternative is my favorite? Well, probably Photopea. Photopea is probably my favorite because its user interface is identical to Photoshop. Second favorite, Apple Photos, because you can edit it wherever. Actually, you can do it on iPhone, iPad. It's the same thing on there too. So GIMP is the one I don't like too much. And actually, I don't trust it on my computer, so I'm gonna go ahead and delete it after I finish editing. Actually, no, once I'm done filming. So, yeah, and actually about when I was gonna say I was gonna do gaming, that's kind of an issue because I don't know how to. I can't send the gameplay videos from my PlayStation to my Mac. It would be easier if I had a PC, but I don't plan on using one because they're garbage to me.